Hey guys, so today we are gonna do some real life shit, which is fix my palette that I broke. I literally just filmed a video, me trying out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette to drop it. And shatter it to dust, so I'm gonna show it to you. Try not to spill it. Like two colors are okay. I'm gonna show you guys the process to fix this, and if that's something you're into seeing, then keep watching. But this is the stuff you're gonna need to fix a broken powder. It will never really go back to exactly the way it was before, but this will at least get you started. So you're gonna need some rubbing alcohol. You're gonna need something to stamp it into place. If it was circular, I would go for something circular. These are square, so I'm actually just gonna be using the end of my lipstick that's perfectly square, and you're also gonna need some plastic wrap. The other thing that you will need is something to just mix it back up with. And so for me, I'm going to be using, I forgot to get something. So hang tight and I'll grab something and we'll get started. Okay, so it looks a pretty big mess right now, but at this point what we need is for it to dry out a bit. This is right after it's set. You can see that the colors they're a mess, but they're back together. Because it's cardboard packaging, you can see that there's like some staining around the colors that I had to put the alcohol into here. I'll check in with you guys when this is all finished.